Goat farm. Fetch. It's over there.
I'll get the gray one.
Can you wait a second, Brody? Hey!
Wait, Brody.
I'm getting them out. You'll just throw them all in there at once anyway. Here. Just throw one at a time, Brody. Just give them to him. Hand them to him. They'll take them right out of your hand.
It smells like goat.
I named that white and black Sparky, and I said Sparky and turned around and looked at me.
Goat. Whoa! It disappeared. You dropped it. Don't drop it. Like this, Brody.
See, you're learning how to feed animals.
And we're also learning that they're trying to kill us.
No, they're not trying to kill you. They're not.
It's behind you.
They're gonna kill you if they don't get any food.
They will not bite.
It's behind you.
You can break them up if you want.
Did you name him Barfy? Is that what you said? You named him Barfy. He's like, your name's Barfy.
Your goat. He's hungry. Your goat.
He's like, well then.
I think I named him.
Why don't you guys feed them? You throw them at them.
I feed him.
You're chickens. You're chickens.
He won't come here. Come here. You guys smell.
I wasn't looking at you. I was looking at the ones that were throwing them.
He likes the bread. Yeah.
Well, he was eating the bread over there.
You like the bread. I know it just.
Don't talk to animals. They can't talk back. I hope they can't talk back anyway. If they can, we better run away screaming.
He's hungry. Want a piece of bread? You want a piece of bread to feed him?
Here, Brody. Give me a sandwich.
This is the last piece of bread.
I hit him in the head. Oops.
See, you're learning how to feed people.
Do you want to use the camera? Record?
Yeah.
Is it recording right now?
It's already recording.
I just don't feel like holding anymore.
Maddie, feed the goat. Feed the goat, Maddie.
That's my jelly sandwich.
Remember, Maddie, this is what you learned in... No, you're...
Pick that up.
Don't kill the goat.
Don't drop the stuff out.
Ceri. I like Nana now. Ceri. Feed the goat.
Ew, it had dirt on it. Why would he want to eat it?
Congratulations.
Oh, come on.
You passed.
They'll eat a tin can.
Yeah.
You passed mental class. Congratulations. It's a goat.
Your Brody want it?
Brody, can you feed the goat?
Here, feed Brody.
I want to feed. No, I want to.
That was the piece I was eating.
Oh well.
I'm back now.
Give it.
No, give it. Oops. Brody. I didn't scare Sparky away.
Pick them up.
I'm getting you in it.
Hold them up. No, hold it. Like that.
If I can. No dog.
Let them lick it up.
How is a dog get in there? It says no dog.
They ate it. Now.
He loves it.
I want to walk on the boardwalk.
So
Always fun.
yeah, I'm gonna take a video of that too. Of course, I gotta change the batteries in a minute. My batteries get used up fast with the videos.
These goats are
Well, at least they're not cannibals and they don't eat each other. Then again, I thought there were 5 last time we were here. It's like what? It's like wasn't there 5 last time? Yeah.
No,
Ceri's all white.
It's like if they're gonna eat their own kind, they'll probably eat us too.
But we're not their kind.
Exactly.
I'm going next. They eat me.
You've been licked.
And then he licks his lips.
Yes, he does.
What do antlers mean?
He's the boss.
Does that mean a boy?
Well, yeah, but he's also the boss.
Mr. Boss. What you people name him? Barfy? Didn't Brody name the one with the horns Barfy?
So that one's a girl, that one's a girl, and that one's a girl?
I don't know.
Because Sparky's the only one with horns. And he's trying to ram that
Called
black
Brody.
one. Is it recording?
Yeah.
That's what it was. Let's read the sign. Feed the goats. 50 cents. You can purchase goat feed. We got bread!
At the local cafe or
Local.
the country store.
Wait. They don't read it right. Feed the goats.
50 cents.
Cents. You can purchase goat feed at the local cafe or country store.
This is like 7 minutes long already.
It's fun to read.
Wow. I thought you were the teacher, not the student. Did you just bought at me? He bought it.
Go to the back park?
No.
With my dad. Wow.
Huh?
Let's watch Ceri feed Barfy and Sparky.
Hey! I want to jump back.
I don't know what you want.
You get them, I guess. Once more. What?
I think this is more interesting than feeding ghosts. Come on, Ceri. We're going to the